Hello everyone. So from this video we are starting how we can just draw the staircase. So you can see these are the draw tools for the staircase. So I am selecting this state one. So once I just click on this state one, so you can see here on the modification panel more tools are open. So now in this video we will just see this tool only. So you can see on the left side, this one is your location line. So I just click on this drop down. So you can see here are the options. You can just draw your staircase with the help of exterior support left or exterior support right, run left, run center or run right. So we will see one by one. First, let me select the exterior support left. So when I just draw the staircase, so you can see this blue line on the top. See, so it is blue line showing the exterior support left. So what if I just make it as exterior support right? So now you can see the blue line on the right side. You can see the blue line is on extreme right. See, it is at the exterior face of the handrail. See, it is at the exterior face of the handrail, right? See this blue line, right? Now we will see this one, run left. So once I click on the run left, so you can see uh, the arrow is running along with this handrail. Sorry, this steps. This one is your step, right? So if you just click on the run left, so it will be this one, step left. If you just click on the run right, if I just click on the run right, so you can see it is running at the right of the staircase step. Now let's see the run center. If I just click on the run center, so you can see it is running at the center. So in this way you can just draw your staircase. Now we will see this actual run width. So if I just type here as 3 meter, press enter. So you can see the width of the staircase has increases. If I just make it now as a 2 meter, press enter. So you can see in this way you can just increase or decrease your run width. Now let's see automatic landing. So if I just click on this automatic landing, if I just click here and bring my mouse here and just again click here, and you can see if I just press again, so you can see I just created landing here because I just click on here automatic landing. So in this way you can just create the automatic landing. Now let me show you this offset one. So if I just type here offset of 1 meter, press enter. Now if I just draw a staircase here, you can see staircase is staircase is reflecting at a distance of 1 meter. See, it is drawing at a distance of 1 meter. So in this way, you can just use this offset tool.